Step inside a stunning apartment where Art Deco elegance meets modern warmth. With bold statement pieces, graceful curves, and rich textures, this space strikes the perfect balance between luxury and livability. Designed by NSN Studio Divine, the expansive 7,000 plus square foot apartment O in Gurugram is a striking example of thoughtful design that marries contemporary comfort with classic Art Deco sophistication. Radiates warmth and personality, offering a luxurious yet livable space tailored to the lifestyle of the Sadani family. From the moment one enters, a gracefully curved wall sets the tone for the interiors, elegant, inviting, and meticulously detailed. The home's muted color palette is punctuated by bold, vibrant accents, creating visual intrigue without overwhelming the senses. In the dining area, a sleek wooden table surrounded by upholstered chairs is paired with subtle marble finishes and soft lighting, setting the stage for elegant yet comfortable family gatherings. In the living room, statement seating takes center stage. A deep blue sofa adorned with intricately patterned throw pillows and a bold red centerpiece sofa create a dynamic focal point. These are anchored by a large geometric rug and surrounded by curated framed artworks that lend a personal, collected feel. A cozy fireplace in a corner adds warmth and intimacy, encouraging conversation and relaxation. Curves, symmetry, and rich textures echo throughout the space, reflecting the influence of Art Deco design while integrating modern sensibilities. Personalized touches add depth and practicality. A dedicated coffee bar, 2 cozy reading nooks for the children, and thoughtfully designed dressers in the master suite ensure the space is as functional as it is beautiful. The flooring throughout the apartment features striking geometric patterns in tones of gray, white, and black, with accents of marble and gleaming gold that elevate the space. Throughout the apartment, a blend of modern and traditional elements, from intricate carvings and bespoke woodwork to contemporary silhouettes, creates a cohesive and layered aesthetic. The master bedroom exudes understated luxury with plush bedding, detailed woodwork, and soft ambient lighting. The daughter's room is whimsical and joyful, designed to inspire creativity. panoramic views of the Aravallis serve as a breathtaking backdrop, making this home a true reflection of refined taste, familial warmth, and timeless elegance.